Alright guys, here are the new seats going in the truck. These are originally out of a 1999 Toyota Tacoma with a tan interior, purchased for around 150 bucks from a junkyard up in Tennessee. Give you a quick overview of them real quick. These seats came out of a either deluxe or an SR5 model, and they come with a lot of creature comforts, which I like. The headrests are adjustable forward to 5 different positions and back, and of course they can come up and down by the post. These have adjustable side bolsters that will bring the wings in and out. And of course, as with all SR5s, they have adjustable lumbar support built in by the lever. What else is neat about these seats is they have a knob on the side right here that allows the whole front of the seat to come up and back down. And of course, the lever to bring the seat back forward and back. And these seats are very easy to bolt in to older model Toyota pickups. Now this is the driver's seat right here, and I'll go ahead and show you. These will go in like normal. These inside brackets, the mounting style is the exact same. These inside brackets will bolt directly up to the inside frame. The outsides, all you have to do is drill a hole in the body and match it up and just do a through bolt, and that's all you have to do. These seats are almost in mint condition, but what happened was the wear points, which were common, were here on the side when people get in the truck. Right here and right there had wear spots. I got some scrap material from a guy I know that works at Toyota in the parts department, and I paid a guy 200 bucks to redo the side bolsters on these seats. And so now you can tell these look like factory, and they're going to match my dark brown interior almost perfect. Almost no blemishes. When I had the seat covers off, I also washed them just to bring the color out some more after everything was said and done, and put them back together. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but it had to be done. And here they are. Here's the finished Tacoma seat install. You can see they flow nicely with my already brown and tan interior. The brackets on the back side are a little bit elevated compared to the factory ones, which allows you to sit a little higher up, which is kind of nice. Kind of hard to tell, but the mounting holes are about 1/4 to 1/2 inch off. See if I can show you from back here. See if you can sort of tell where the original divot was in the carpet. And they sit very, very, very nice. If anybody has an early first-gen pickup, four-wheel drive, I highly recommend swapping out these Tacoma seats. Even two-wheel drive guys, the floor pan's the same. And they look great.